So a little update on this kicker box. That kicker has failed to replace his sub that came apart, and then had another guy at kicker tell my buddy Ben that they were going to give him a whole new unit, but it's been months now and we're tired of waiting. So he's been still using the old rebuilt Skar VD12. I had to modify the box quite a bit, and it's got 3 legs on it because of the way his floor is in this 2012 Chevy 2500. And did some little beach feet made out of beach, and some red oak paneling I had, solid red oak, and then cut a 7-inch hole, and then cut had a 10.5-inch piece laying around, and bolted it on there. Put the cover back underneath, and boom. Think it's a kicker? It's not. And actually, on the recoil RED 600.1 wired at 2 ohms. This sounds better than this kicker ever did, so yeah. Sorry, kicker. You guys have lost a fan. Later, guys.